Freeze for a moment and imagine this. The most alien-looking life forms on Earth are not science fiction, but documented reality. From the crushing depths of the ocean to the most isolated forests on the planet, scientists and explorers have recorded creatures with transparent heads, bioluminescent teeth, impossible body shapes, and features that defy imagination. These extraordinary species challenge everything we think we know about life in our world. In this countdown, we explore 42 of the strangest creatures ever documented, and as the list unfolds, the discoveries only become more astonishing. Stay with me, because what you're about to witness will redefine your understanding of nature itself. Let's begin with number 42, Saiga antelope. Among the strangest creatures on this list, the Saiga antelope easily stands out with its bizarre, oversized trunk-like nose. Native to the grasslands of Central Asia, this unusual feature isn't just for appearance. It acts as a natural filtration system, warming freezing winter air and blocking dust during dry seasons. Once roaming alongside Ice Age giants, the Saiga still carries a prehistoric look that feels out of place in the modern world. With its swollen snout, pale coat, and wide, almost startled eyes, it remains one of the most strangely adapted and extraordinary mammals alive today. Number 41, red-lipped batfish. Resting along the ocean floor near the Galapagos Islands is the red-lipped batfish, a creature that seems almost designed for curiosity. Recognized by its bright red, lipstick-like lips and flattened body, this unusual fish doesn't swim well. Instead, it uses its modified fins to walk across the seabed. Living at depths of up to 250 feet, it feeds on small fish and invertebrates, relying on a small lure-like structure on its head to attract prey. With its bold coloring and awkward movement, the red-lipped batfish stands out as one of the ocean's most peculiar and strangely captivating inhabitants. Number 40, glass frog. Continuing our journey through the strangest creatures on Earth, the glass frog stands out for a reason that seems almost impossible. Its skin is so transparent that you can see its internal organs. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, this small, lime-green amphibian has a translucent underside that reveals its beating heart and digestive system. This remarkable transparency helps it camouflage against leaves, making it nearly invisible to predators from below. With its see-through body and delicate appearance, the glass frog is one of nature's most surreal and astonishing creations. Number 39, Fossa. Lurking in the forests of Madagascar is the fossa, a predator so unusual it confuses even experienced biologists. Resembling a cross between a cat and a mongoose, this agile carnivore can climb trees with ease, leap from branch to branch, and hunt lemurs, its primary prey. With a long, muscular body, retractable claws, and a tail that aids balance, the fossa is perfectly adapted to life both on the ground and in the trees. Its strange appearance and hunting prowess make it one of the island's most extraordinary and enigmatic creatures. Number 38, star-nosed mole. Burrowing beneath the forests and wetlands of North America is the star-nosed mole, one of the strangest mammals on the planet. Its most striking feature is a star-shaped ring of 22 fleshy tentacles around its nose, covered with thousands of sensory receptors that allow it to detect and eat prey almost instantly. Able to identify and consume small insects in less than a quarter of a second, this mole is not only bizarre in appearance, but also a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. With its alien-like face and lightning-fast hunting skills, the star-nosed mole is truly one of nature's most unusual and fascinating creatures. Number 37, peacock spider. Among the most bizarre and captivating creatures on land is the peacock spider, a tiny arachnid no larger than a fingernail, with a personality bigger than its size. Native to Australia, the male performs an elaborate, colorful dance to attract a mate, raising its vibrant, fan-like abdomen while waving its legs in precise patterns. Beyond its stunning display, this miniature spider is remarkable for its keen vision and agility, making it both a skilled hunter and a mesmerizing performer. Its combination of vibrant colors, intricate behavior, and tiny size earns it a spot among the strangest and most fascinating creatures alive today. Number 36, Shoebill stork. Towering silently in the swamps of Central Africa, the shoebill stork looks less like a bird and more like a relic from the age of dinosaurs. Standing up to 5 feet tall, it is named for its massive, shoe-shaped bill, which it uses to ambush prey such as fish, lungfish, and even young crocodiles. Its piercing stare and slow, deliberate movements give it an almost prehistoric presence. Rare and solitary by nature, this extraordinary bird earns its place among our list of strangest creatures for its intimidating appearance and ancient lineage that dates back millions of years. Number 35. Eye. Few creatures look as bizarre and unsettling as the eye, a nocturnal primate lurking in the rainforests of Madagascar. Its oversized, reflective eyes, bat-like ears, and elongated middle finger allow it to tap on tree trunks to locate hidden insect larvae and extract them with remarkable precision. Feared and misunderstood by locals for centuries, this peculiar combination of features and behaviors makes the eye one of the strangest and most extraordinary animals on Earth. Number 34. Pangolin. Roaming the forests and savannas of Asia and Africa is the pangolin, one of the strangest mammals on the planet. Its body is covered in hard, overlapping keratin scales, allowing it to curl into a nearly impenetrable ball when threatened, a natural suit of armor. Mostly nocturnal and elusive, it feeds almost entirely on ants and termites, using a long, sticky tongue to reach deep into nests. With its armored body and secretive habits, the pangolin stands out as one of nature's most unusual and remarkable creatures. Number 33. Mantis shrimp. In the colorful reefs of tropical oceans lives the mantis shrimp, one of the strangest and most formidable predators on Earth. Despite its small size, it strikes with the force of a bullet, capable of smashing shells and even cracking aquarium glass. Its eyes are unlike anything in the animal kingdom, detecting polarized light and seeing a spectrum of colors far beyond human perception. With its deadly speed and alien-like vision, the mantis shrimp stands out as both a mesmerizing and terrifying creature of the sea. Number 32. Axolotl. Hidden in the lakes and canals of Mexico is the axolotl, one of the strangest creatures to walk the line between aquatic and terrestrial life. Famous for its permanent smile and feathery external gills, this amphibian can regenerate entire limbs, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain. Abilities almost unmatched in the animal kingdom. Unlike most salamanders, it remains fully aquatic throughout its life, a trait called neoteny, giving it a whimsical yet otherworldly appearance. Its unusual combination of survival skills and bizarre looks makes the axolotl one of the planet's most extraordinary and peculiar creatures. Number 31. Sea pig. From the crushing depths of the ocean comes the sea pig, a strange and almost comical-looking creature that thrives where few others can survive. Related to sea cucumbers, this pink, plump invertebrate uses tube-like feet to walk along the seabed, scavenging for organic matter that drifts down from above. Living thousands of feet below the surface in near-freezing, high-pressure environments, the sea pig's soft, squishy body and unusual movement make it one of the ocean's most peculiar and alien-looking inhabitants. Number 30. Goblin shark. Beneath the crushing pressure of the deep ocean dwells a creature that looks like it was pulled from a sci-fi nightmare. The goblin shark, a living fossil whose lineage dates back over 125 million years, can reach lengths of up to 12 feet and is instantly recognizable by its elongated, flattened snout and a jaw that shoots forward like a trap to catch prey. Its ghostly pink, almost translucent skin adds to its eerie, otherworldly appearance. And rare deep-sea footage has revealed this predator in action, hunting with precision in near-total darkness. Using electroreceptors along its snout to sense the slightest movements, the goblin shark remains one of the ocean's most mysterious and alien-looking species. Number 29. Anglerfish. Imagine a creature so strange it seems designed to haunt your nightmares. That's the anglerfish, a master of the deep-sea darkness. Its bioluminescent lure dangles from its head like a glowing fishing rod, drawing unsuspecting prey straight into its cavernous, razor-toothed jaws. Living at depths of up to 3,000 feet, it thrives under crushing pressure and near-freezing temperatures where sunlight never reaches. Some species display extreme sexual dimorphism, with tiny males fusing permanently to the female as a living parasite. Rare footage from deep-sea explorations reveals its grotesque yet fascinating form, cementing the anglerfish as one of the ocean's most eerie and otherworldly predators. 28. Barreleye fish. In the mysterious depths of the ocean, a creature drifts that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie, the Barreleye fish. Its most astonishing feature is the transparent, fluid-filled dome over its head, allowing its tubular eyes to rotate independently and peer upward while the body remains nearly invisible. Living between 2,000 and 2,600 feet below the surface, it feeds on small prey and bioluminescent plankton, using its highly specialized vision to hunt in near-total darkness. Rare deep-sea footage has captured its jaw tilting upward to snatch food with minimal movement, showcasing one of the ocean's most bizarre and alien-looking inhabitants. Number 27. Vampire squid. Far below the sunlit surface, in an ocean world of eternal darkness, drifts the vampire squid, a creature whose name alone sends shivers down the spine. Despite its terrifying reputation, it is harmless, feeding mainly on marine detritus rather than prey. Its deep red to dark purple body is lined with webbed arms tipped with tiny spines, and it can turn itself inside out, creating a cloak-like display to confuse predators. Living at depths of 2,000 to 3,000 feet, it survives in oxygen-poor environments that few other animals can endure, making it one of the most enigmatic and otherworldly dwellers of the deep sea. Number 26. Blobfish. Floating in the crushing depths of the ocean is the blobfish, a creature so unusual it has become the poster child for deep-sea strangeness. With a gelatinous, sagging body that helps it survive the extreme pressure of the deep, it appears almost formless when brought to the surface, giving it a famously bizarre, droopy face. Living mostly off the ocean floor at depths of 3,000 feet or more, it drifts slowly, consuming whatever edible matter floats by. Its odd appearance is not just cosmetic. Every adaptation, from its soft body to its minimal musculature, is designed for survival in one of the strangest and most inhospitable habitats on Earth. Number 25. Frilled shark. Deep in the ocean's uncharted trenches swims the frilled shark, one of the strangest creatures ever discovered. Often called a living fossil, it has a long, eel-like body, lined with 6 gill slits and a mouthful of needle-sharp, trident-shaped teeth. Growing up to 6 feet long, it hunts by luring prey into its jaw with sudden lunges, an almost serpentine attack in the darkness. This rare predator inhabits depths between 500 and 1,500 meters, thriving in cold, pitch-black waters where few other species can survive, making it a truly alien presence in the deep-sea world. Number 24. Japanese spider crab. Stretching its enormous limbs across the ocean floor, this Japanese spider crab is one of the most astonishing crustaceans on Earth. Found in the waters around Japan, this deep-sea giant can have a leg span reaching up to 12 feet, making it the largest arthropod in the world. Its spindly legs and armored body give it an almost mechanical, alien appearance as it slowly scavenges along the seabed for fish and plant matter. Living at depths of up to 2,000 feet, this extraordinary creature combines massive size with an eerie, skeletal look that makes it one of the strangest inhabitants of the deep. Number 23. Blue dragon sea slug. Drifting along the ocean's surface is the blue dragon sea slug, a creature so surreal it looks digitally designed. Officially known as Glaucus atlanticus, this small but striking animal floats upside down, using surface tension to glide across open water. Its electric blue, wing-like appendages are not just for display. They store venom stolen from prey, like the Portuguese man-o'-war, allowing it to deliver a powerful sting of its own. Usually measuring only about 1 to 2 inches long, this delicate yet dangerous drifter is one of the strangest and most visually astonishing marine creatures on Earth. Number 22. Yeti crab. In the freezing depths near hydrothermal vents of the South Pacific, the Yeti crab makes its home, a creature so strange it looks like a furry alien. Covered in long, blonde, bristle-like hairs on its claws, it farms bacteria on these hairy limbs, which it then consumes as food. Living in complete darkness at extreme depths, this crab has adapted to one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Its unusual appearance and bizarre survival strategy make the Yeti crab one of the ocean's most mysterious and otherworldly inhabitants. Number 21. Colossal squid. In the darkest depths of the Southern Ocean swims the colossal squid, a truly alien predator that can grow up to 46 feet long. Unlike its cousin, the giant squid, it has massive tentacles lined with swiveling hooks to snare prey, including large fish and other squid. Its large eyes, some of the biggest in the animal kingdom, allow it to detect faint light in the pitch-black waters it calls home. With its immense size, terrifying hunting adaptations and mysterious deep-sea habitat, the colossal squid ranks among the strangest and most formidable creatures of the ocean. Number 20. Pistol shrimp. Small but astonishing, the pistol shrimp is one of the ocean's strangest creatures, packing a punch that defies its size. Its specialized claw snaps shut at incredible speed, creating a cavitation bubble that produces a shockwave and a flash of light, stunning or killing nearby prey. This tiny crustacean can strike so powerfully that it generates heat nearly as hot as the surface of the sun for a fraction of a second. Living in burrows on the ocean floor, the pistol shrimp combines bizarre biology with deadly efficiency, making it one of the most extraordinary and unusual hunters in the underwater world. Number 19. Hairy frog. Hidden in the rainforests of Central Africa is the hairy frog, one of the strangest and most terrifying amphibians alive. When threatened, this bizarre creature can intentionally break the bones in its toes, pushing them through its skin to form sharp, claw-like weapons, earning it the nickname walking guillotine. In addition, males grow hair-like structures along their sides during mating season, which are actually oxygen-absorbing filaments to help them survive in low-oxygen water. With its eerie appearance and extreme defense mechanism, the hairy frog is a truly remarkable and bizarre example of nature's ingenuity. Number 18. Tardigrade. Measuring less than a millimeter, the tardigrade, or water bear, is one of the strangest and most resilient creatures on the planet. Found in moss, soil, and freshwater, it can survive extreme conditions that would kill nearly any other organism. From freezing temperatures and boiling heat to intense radiation and even the vacuum of space. Its plump, segmented body and tiny clawed legs give it an almost cartoonish appearance, but its survival abilities are nothing short of extraordinary. The tardigrade's bizarre adaptations make it one of nature's most remarkable and alien-like creatures. Number 17. Chinese giant salamander. Dwelling in the cold, fast-flowing rivers of China is the giant Chinese salamander, one of the strangest and most awe-inspiring amphibians on Earth. Growing up to 6 feet long and weighing over 140 pounds, its broad, flat head, small, lidless eyes, and wrinkled, slimy skin give it a truly prehistoric look. Nocturnal and elusive, it feeds on fish, insects, and crustaceans, navigating underwater with a slow, deliberate grace. With its immense size, ancient lineage, and bizarre appearance, the giant Chinese salamander is a living relic and one of nature's most extraordinary creatures. Number 16. Vampire bat. Among the strangest mammals on Earth is the vampire bat, a creature both feared and fascinating. Native to Central America, it feeds exclusively on blood, using sharp incisors to make tiny, painless cuts in the skin of birds or mammals. Equipped with heat sensors on its nose, anticoagulant saliva, and an extraordinary ability to walk, jump, and even glide short distances, the vampire bat is a master of nocturnal hunting. Its unique feeding habits, social behavior, and eerie appearance make it one of the most unusual and remarkable creatures in the animal kingdom. Number 15. Proboscis monkey. In the mangroves and rainforests of Borneo lives the proboscis monkey, one of the strangest primates in the world. Its most striking feature is an oversized pendulous nose, which is thought to amplify vocalizations and attract mates. With a pot-bellied body, long limbs, and webbed feet for swimming, this monkey looks as unusual as it behaves, leaping gracefully through trees and swimming skillfully across rivers. Its combination of bizarre facial features, unique adaptations, and striking appearance makes the proboscis monkey one of the most extraordinary and peculiar creatures of our planet. Number 14. Okapi. Imagine walking through the dense Congolese rainforest and spotting a creature that seems part giraffe, part zebra, and entirely mysterious. That's the okapi. Its long neck and zebra-like striped legs allow it to move gracefully through thick foliage, while its prehensile tongue plucks leaves with astonishing precision. Rarely seen by humans, its large, alert ears detect even the faintest sounds, adding to its ghostly, elusive presence. With its bizarre combination of features and secretive nature, the okapi stands out as one of the most extraordinary and unusual mammals on the planet. Number 13. Irrawaddy dolphin. Swimming in rivers and coastal waters of Southeast Asia is the Irrawaddy dolphin, one of the strangest and most captivating aquatic mammals. Unlike typical dolphins, it has a rounded head with no pronounced beak, giving it a perpetually smiling face that seems almost human. It inhabits both freshwater rivers and brackish coastal areas, using echolocation to navigate murky waters and hunt fish. Its unusual appearance, shy behavior, and ability to thrive in diverse aquatic environments make the Irrawaddy dolphin one of the most unique and remarkable creatures in the world. Number 12. Maned wolf. Roaming the grasslands and savannas of South America is the maned wolf, one of the strangest-looking mammals on the planet. With long, spindly legs, a reddish coat, and a fox-like face, it appears almost like a creature from a fairy tale. Despite its wolf-like name, it is neither a true wolf nor a fox, but belongs to its own unique genus. Solitary and mostly nocturnal, it uses its powerful sense of smell to hunt small mammals, birds, and fruits. Its unusual body shape, striking coloration, and mysterious behavior make the maned wolf one of nature's most extraordinary and peculiar animals. Number 11. Pink fairy armadillo. Burrowing quietly beneath the sandy plains of central Argentina is the pink fairy armadillo, one of the strangest and most delicate mammals on the planet. At just 4 to 5 inches long, it's the smallest armadillo species, with a soft, pale pink shell that allows it to slip effortlessly through soil. Mostly nocturnal and rarely seen, it survives by feeding on insects, larvae, and plant roots. Its tiny size, unusual coloration, and secretive lifestyle make the pink fairy armadillo one of the most extraordinary and peculiar creatures in the animal kingdom. Number 10. Markhor goat. High in the rugged mountains of Central Asia roams the Markhor goat, one of the strangest and most striking creatures on Earth. Its twisted spiral horns can grow up to 5 feet long, giving it a dramatic, almost mythical appearance. Adapted to steep cliffs and rocky terrain, the Markhor is an agile climber, able to navigate places few predators can reach. With its impressive horns, powerful build, and rare, elusive nature, the Markhor stands out as one of the most extraordinary and bizarre mammals alive today. Number 9. Sunfish, mola mola. In the open oceans, the sunfish drifts like a living island, one of the strangest and most massive bony fish alive today. It can weigh over 2,200 pounds and stretch more than 10 feet across, with a flattened, oval-shaped body that looks almost incomplete. Sunfish feed on jellyfish, small fish, and plankton, often basking at the surface to absorb the sun's warmth after deep dives. Their bizarre shape, enormous size, and slow, lumbering movement make sunfish one of the most peculiar and awe-inspiring creatures in the marine world. Number 8. Olm. In the pitch-black waters of Europe's underground caves lives the olm, a creature so bizarre it seems almost mythical, completely blind and pale, with translucent skin that reveals its internal organs. It navigates the darkness using sensitive skin and specialized lateral line organs to detect even the slightest movements. Feeding on tiny invertebrates, it moves slowly and gracefully through its hidden watery world. With its ghostly appearance, extraordinary longevity of over 100 years, and unique adaptations, the olm stands out as one of nature's strangest and most otherworldly creatures. Number 7. Tree kangaroo. High in the rainforests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia lives the tree kangaroo, one of the strangest mammals in existence. Unlike its ground-dwelling kangaroo relatives, it has adapted to life in the trees with strong forelimbs, long tails for balance, and padded feet for gripping branches. It moves gracefully from branch to branch, feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers, and spends most of its life far above the forest floor. Its unusual combination of kangaroo-like body and tree-climbing abilities makes the tree kangaroo one of the most extraordinary and peculiar creatures in the animal kingdom. Number 6. Thorny dragon. Across the arid deserts of Australia crawls the thorny dragon, one of the strangest and most uniquely adapted lizards on Earth. Its body is covered in sharp conical spines that provide protection from predators, while specialized grooves on its skin allow it to collect and channel water directly to its mouth. Feeding primarily on ants, it moves slowly but deliberately, blending perfectly into the sandy landscape. With its spiky appearance, unusual water-collecting adaptation, and alien-like look, the thorny dragon stands out as one of nature's most bizarre and fascinating reptiles. Number 5. Glass octopus. Deep in the twilight zone of the ocean lives the glass octopus, one of the strangest and most elusive creatures of the deep. Almost entirely transparent, its internal organs and skeleton can be seen through its gelatinous body, making it nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. Its long, delicate arms trail gracefully as it drifts through the water, feeding on small crustaceans and plankton. With its see-through body, ethereal movements, and ghostly appearance, the glass octopus is one of the ocean's most alien and extraordinary inhabitants. Number 4. Goody sapphire tarantula. In a tiny patch of Indian forest resides the Goody sapphire tarantula, a creature so vibrant it seems unreal. Its entire body shimmers in a metallic blue, making it look like a living gemstone crawling through the undergrowth. Rare and elusive, it spends most of its time in burrows, venturing out only to hunt insects. With its dazzling color, secretive behavior, and striking presence, this tarantula is one of the most extraordinary and bizarre creatures in the natural world. Number 2. Frigate bird. Soaring high above tropical areas, the frigate bird is one of the strangest and most extraordinary birds on Earth. With a wingspan of up to 8 feet and a lightweight body, it can glide for hours without flapping, barely touching the air. Males are known for their enormous red throat pouch, which they inflate like a balloon to attract mates, creating a surreal, almost otherworldly sight. Feeding on fish snatched from the sea and sometimes stealing prey from other birds. The frigate bird's unusual hunting style, striking appearance, and aerial mastery make it one of nature's most bizarre and captivating creatures. Number 2. Leafy sea dragon. Drifting gracefully among the seaweed and kelp of southern Australia is the leafy sea dragon, one of the strangest and most beautiful creatures in the ocean. Covered in leaf-like appendages that mimic surrounding vegetation, it is a master of camouflage, virtually invisible to predators and prey alike. Unlike most fish, it swims upright, using tiny fins along its body for gentle propulsion. Its delicate, ornate appearance and surreal adaptations make the leafy sea dragon one of the most extraordinary and alien-looking creatures beneath the waves. Number 1. Red-handed tamarin. The tropical rainforests of South America live the red-handed tamarin, one of the strangest and most agile primates on Earth. With its bright reddish-orange hands and feet contrasting against a dark body, it moves effortlessly through the canopy, leaping between branches with incredible precision. Small, social, and highly active, this monkey feeds on fruits, insects, and small vertebrates, using its unusual coloring and nimble movements to stay hidden from predators. Its vibrant appearance, extraordinary agility, and playful behavior make the red-handed tamarin one of nature's most remarkable and peculiar creatures. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife discoveries.